Okay, so this force, this is an unknown force problem, and I think these are a little harder. Okay, so there's still 17 newtons of friction, right? The box is sliding to the left, and friction always opposes the slide. So if it's sliding left, then friction is to the
Right.
yeah. There you go. Right.
Right.
Right. Oops. What did I just press? Here we go. So there's, if it's sliding left, then the friction is to the right. There's 17 newtons. Okay? And then we're exerting an unknown force. Now, we know darn well that that force is going to be to the left. But we're going to be all coy here. We're going to pretend like we don't know. So I just sort of draw the unknown force, right? I always make unknown forces positive and let the math decide whether it's positive or negative. Okay?
Right.
So let's make to the right positive. Okay? Let's set this up. We've got unknown force, or a known force, right? Unknown force, and we set up F equals ma.
Okay. But now we got the force we don't know. We're just going to call it F
Yeah,
because that's the one that we don't know. But we know that that force plus 17, whatever that's going to be, is going to equal the mass of the box, which is still 20. But here's where it gets interesting. It says that it's accelerating at 2.3 to the left. So if right is positive, we got to go with negative
yeah, there
2.3.
you go. Yeah, so just be real careful, right? Accelerations can be positive or negative. Okay, so we're going to go negative 2.3, okay? And that's because this acceleration is to the left. Yeah?
Yep. So now we got F plus 17 equals 20 times negative 2.3. That turns out to be negative 46. And look how the math is going to end up telling us which way the force goes. Because if I want to get force by itself, I have to subtract 17 from both
17, right?
sides.
Well, negative 46 minus 17 is a bigger negative number, right?
Yep. It's negative 63. And that means that the force is going to be toward the left with 63 newtons.
There you go.
And that's why up at the top of the problem there, where it says 63 newtons left, that's the same thing as saying negative 63 newtons.
There you go. So just be careful with the sign. Remember that the forces that are given to you can be positive or negative. Acceleration can be positive or negative. The only thing with mass is it's got to be kilograms.
That's right.
That's the only
Mass
thing.
doesn't become negative.
All right. That's another problem, isn't it?
Yep.